Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm kind of working on my punch list for the 900. So I have a small list here of things that we need to do before we can try to start the car. So the first thing is with the oil. So I want to drain the old oil out, and then I'm not going to do everything necessarily in this order, but these are the things that need done. I need to drain out the old oil. We'll put in a new filter. I have the oil filter housing off, waiting for the seal, which is here. So I need to put the new seal on with the housing, replace the pressure switch, and then drain and refill the oil, and then also replace the filter. I also need to put the coolant reservoir back in. I have it out right now just for access, and then once I get that back in, I'll refill the coolant level. Then I have to put in a new air filter, air meter, then the fuel distributor, the warm-up regulator, and then I'll, of course, the next thing before I hook any of that up on the fuel side, I want to drain out the fuel tank. This new distributor has to be run on non-ethanol or ethanol-free gasoline. So I want to drain out the fuel that's in and put in new, and then flush the lines out. Most of that was done before, so we'll just double check it. And also, it's been sitting for a month, so we'll just put in new gas anyhow. And then I'll also put a new fuel filter, and that's per their recommendations to keep from voiding the warranty. It has to be clean. It just has to be. Other than that, I've got most of the wiring redone that needs to be done. I did pull some new wires, mainly up around the side and in front of the engine, and then up here to the fuse box. And we need to do that. I did sort out the vacuum line situation with thanks to one of the dealerships around here that still works with Saab. They were able to let me look at some of their vehicles and then also look at some of the shop manuals that they had. So all those need done. So I'll get to work and kind of document it as best I can along the way.